Saraswati.
Sundar Pichai is CEO of Alphabet Inc. and its subsidiary Google LLC. He is an Indian American businessman. 24th Comptroller General of India Soma Roy Burman. Narendra Modi inaugurated new lighting system in 2019 at Parliament House. Cyclone Amphan, named given by Thailand. Amphan mostly hits Kolkata, capital city of West Bengal, Odisha, and Bangladesh partly. Amphan is a tropical cyclone. Pongal, celebrated in Tamil Nadu on Harvest Festival, worship to the sun. First day of Pongal is known as Bhogi Pongal. Second day of Pongal is known as Surya Pongal. Third day of Pongal, Mattu Pongal. Fourth day of Pongal, Kannam Pongal. Third day of Pongal इस बार एसएससी में आया था. Zozibini Tunji has been crowned Miss Universe for 2019 from South Africa. Copa America 2019 winner Brazil, runner-up Peru. Bonalu Festival celebrated in Telangana. World first CNG terminal Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Russia will be the focused country of 50th of International Film Festival Award. Asian Summit 2019 held in Bangkok, Thailand. ASEAN full form Association of Southeast Asian Nation. Establishment of ASEAN 1967. ASEAN headquarter Jakarta. Member country 10. Member countries are Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Vietnam, Brunei, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos. Bharosa Savings Bank launched by Airtel Payment Bank. Times Magazine 2019 Person of the Year Greta Thunberg. Sangeeta Reddy, Joint Managing Director, Apollo Hospital Group, has taken over the president of FICCI. FICCI stands for Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Sanjeev Mehta, Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Unilever. He has joined FICCI leadership as Vice President. Michael Debobrata Patro has been appointed Deputy Governor of RBI, appointed for 3 years. Citizen Amendment Act. Minority of Hindu, Jain, Parsi, Sikh, Christian and Buddhist community who have came to India from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan till date 31st of 2014 and have suffered religious persecution in their country will not be considered as illegal migrant. CAA will not apply into tribal area of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura as these areas are included in the 6th schedule of constitution. CAA is not applicable also for Bengal Inner Line Permit notified Bengal Eastern Border Regulation 1873. हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में टोटल 12 स्केड्यूल है जहाँ पे 5 और 6 नंबर स्केड्यूल में ट्राइबल एरिया के बारे में बात करता है। 5 नंबर शेड्यूल में कोई स्टेट का नाम मेंशन नहीं किया गया है, लेकिन 6 नंबर शेड्यूल में असम, मिजोरम, त्रिपुरा, मेघालय के नाम मेंशन किया गया है। अगर कभी भी क्वेश्चन में ये 4 नाम मेंशन करके आ जाए तो वो 6 शेड्यूल में पड़ेगा। One Nation One Ration Card will be implemented across India from 1st June of 2020, announced by Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Ramvilas Paswan. Implemented on 12 states across India: Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Tripura, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Kerala, Haryana, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Telangana. Bank of India launched a mobile app to help visually challenged people to identify the denomination of currency note, money. Kolkata Port Trust renamed as Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Port. South Asia's tallest tower, Lotus Tower in Sri Lanka. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar approved Gorewada Zoo at Nagpur, Maharashtra. Prakash Javadekar, Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. In 2019, Ravish Kumar received Raman Magsaysay Award for journalism. He also received Gauri Lankesh National Award for journalism. Raman Magsaysay Award given in the field of government, public service, social service, journalism, literature, communication and international understanding from 1957. Raman Magsaysay Award is named after the former president of Philippines. GI Tag Geographical Indication Tag 2019. GI Tag is valid for only 10 years. GI Tag is covered under the law of WTO. First product to get GI Tag of India was Darjeeling tea. Total 345 products carry this indication. Some products received GI tag in 2019. Rasgulla from Odisha, Himachali chulli oil from Himachal Pradesh, Chunar sandstone from Uttar Pradesh, Tribhuvanam silk sari and Euro turmeric, Tamil Nadu, Kolhapura chappal, Karnataka and Maharashtra, Marayur Jajri, Kerala, Talhopuna Mizoram chai, Mizoram, Tainur battle leaf, Mallapuram, Kerala, Kadaikanal Malai Pundu, Tamil Nadu. It's a garlic hill. Jiraful rice, Chhattisgarh. Kandhaman haldi, Odisha. Krug Arabic coffee from Karnataka. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मस्ती की पाठशाला। मस्ती की पाठशाला एक ऐसा चैनल है जहां हम सब एक साथ कुछ नया सीखेंगे, कुछ नया पढ़ेंगे, वो भी मस्ती के साथ। ऑडियो विजुअल इफ़ेक्ट याद रखने के लिए काफ़ी फ़ायदेमंद होता है। इस बात को दिमाग में लेकर आप लोगों के लिए ये वीडियो बनाता हूँ। उम्मीद रखता हूँ आप सबको अच्छा लगेगा। वीडियो पूरा देखें, अच्छा लगने पे लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए नया वीडियो पाने के लिए। थैंक यू।